Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll explore how to create a dynamic action and validate empty fields in Oracle Apex Forms. Let's get right into it. Here's a quick overview of dynamic action. Dynamic action is a low-code feature in Oracle Apex that allows us to build interactivity into our app pages without writing much script. It's used to respond to events on the page like button clicks, list item changes, text input updates, and more. There are two key components you need to understand to implement dynamic action effectively: events and actions. To make it clearer, let's jump into the practical part. First, let's create our table. We'll name it personal_data with the following columns. ID number, set as primary key. First_name varchar2, length 50. Middle_name varchar2, length 50. Last_name varchar2, length 50. Date_of_birth date. Alright, our table is ready. Now let's move on to building the form. Open your app builder. Click Create Page. Select Interactive Report. Name it Personal Data. Enable Include Form Page. Choose Modal Dialog as the form type. Name the form Personal Data. For data source, select the personal_data table. Click Next. Then Create Page. Let's run the form and app now. Enter your username and password. Now we're on the personal data page. Let's create a sample data entry. Alright, the insert function is working well. Now, we'll add a dynamic action to show a person's age, calculated from the selected date of birth, so users can instantly see the age value. Let's open the form and click Quick Edit. We're in the Page Designer now, ready to make some changes. Before creating the dynamic action, let's add a display-only page item for showing the age. In the body region, right-click, Create Page Item. Name it Age, and set the type to Display Only. Let's preview the UI. Looks good for now. Let's go back to Page Designer and create the dynamic action. Right-click on the date of birth page item. Create dynamic action. Name it on selected field. Event type change. Now for the true action. Action, set value. Set type, SQL statement. Here is the SQL command. Items to submit. Date of birth. Escape special characters. Off. Affected elements. Age. Click Save, and let's test the app. Open the form again. Pick a date of birth. Alright, the age now displays based on the selected date. Let's round it to 2 decimal places using the round function. Save it and test again. Perfect. The age now shows with 2 decimal places. Let's fill in the full form and try to save it. Oops. We get a session state protection violation on P8_age. Let's fix this. Turn OFF store value encrypted in session state. Turn OFF send on page submit. Now we get a different error. P8_age is not defined on the current page. Let's refresh. Try again. The age still shows correctly, and if we change the date, the age updates too. Click Save. The new age value is stored. So far, the dynamic action works just fine. Now let's move on to mandatory field validation. Try saving the form with empty fields. It creates an empty row in the table. To prevent this, we need to enforce validation on each field. Back to Page Designer. Select a field. In the Properties panel, turn on Value Required. Test it out. Now when saving an empty form, we get a warning. Apply this setting to the other fields as well. Save and test again. Try leaving fields blank. Great! The empty form no longer gets saved to the table. Now try filling the form completely. And yes, it works. The data is stored correctly in the table. Alright, that's a basic tutorial on how to create dynamic action and set mandatory field validations in Oracle APEX. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future Oracle Apex videos from our channel. See you in the next video.